Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all my Yumilicious around the world. How are you there? So tonight guys, I will do the unboxing. And actually, this is almost 4 months already. I bought it in the supermarket, and it's because I have no time. So I forgot already to open this box. Actually, this is 4-in-1 blender. Okay, 4-in-1 blender juicer. So I will show you now, guys. Here we go. Yes. So this is the item inside. Okay. This is the item inside, guys. So I will show you now, huh? This is not easy to remove actually. There we go. Okay. Styro. Okay. So this is the okay. I think this one, guys, is for the juice, to squeeze the juice. Yes. Or I mean, if you have some vegetable like onion, cucumber, carrots, you can blend it here. Okay. And of course, we have the blender, guys. Later, I will use this one. This is very nice. You can see? Yeah. Nice. So I can use this for my mango juice, for making a milkshake like that. Fruit shake. Yes. And this is another one. Oh, this is also a blender. It's another one. Okay. Right. You can see? Yeah. Inside is a different, it's very sharp. And next we have the, oh, what is this? Oh, I think this is for the carrot juice. You can see, guys. Wait, huh? See? Yeah, this is amazing. Circuit breaker. And if you want to reset something, just press from here. This is for the juice. Okay? Yeah. It's a juicer blender. Okay? So if you have some carrots, let's say, okay, if we have some carrots here, okay, you put this one here. Wait, huh? I will open this one, guys. It's very hard. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Sorry, it's on the side. We will open this. Yeah, it's on the side. Okay. And this is the lock. Okay. Yeah. So it's on the other side, guys, the lock. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is it. So I can blend some carrot juice, yes, this is the one. Okay. This is very nice, guys. Okay. There's some glass also. Okay. And then you will pump this one here. Wait guys, I will show you how. Okay. I will ask him pull. So anyway guys, this is it. So we will lock this one. Okay. Okay. Yes. And then we will put the, okay, we will start to put the, okay, we will start to put the carrots inside here. We will chop, of course. We will chop first the carrots or other vegetables you like, and then after you chop into small pieces, you push with this, okay, like this, and the juice, it will come out from this part. So guys, I'm so excited not to use this one, and later I will make the mango shake also. Okay. Oh, there is some you know, this one, there's some brush also to clean this inside. Okay, so, and this is the, okay, this is the blender. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and also don't forget to like and share. Okay, thank you, bye.